In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update name servers in Namecheap. If you need to connect your domain to a hosting provider or a different DNS service, changing your name servers is one of the most important steps. The good news is that in Namecheap, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account dashboard. After you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and select Domain List. This section shows all of the domains in your account. Find the domain you want to update, then click the Manage button next to it. This opens the settings area for that specific domain, where you can control details like registration settings and DNS. Once you're on the domain management page, stay on the domain tab and scroll down until you see the name servers section. This is the area where Namecheap lets you decide which DNS provider controls your domain. If your domain is still using the default Namecheap setting, you'll usually see something like Namecheap BasicDNS already selected. Next, click the Nameserver drop-down menu and change the setting to Custom DNS. This tells Namecheap that you want to use name servers from another provider rather than the default Namecheap DNS service. Make sure you choose the correct option here because this is what allows you to enter the name servers manually. After that, enter the new name servers exactly as they were provided by your hosting company or DNS provider. Usually there are 2 name servers, but some providers may give you more. If you need to add additional entries, click Add Name Server to create more lines. It's a good idea to double check spelling, punctuation, and formatting here, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from connecting properly. When all of the name servers have been entered, click the green checkmark icon next to the fields to save your changes. That confirms the update and tells Namecheap to apply the new name server settings to your domain. After saving, keep in mind that name server changes may not take effect instantly. In many cases, DNS propagation can take some time, so your website or connected services may not update right away. That delay is normal. And that's it. Log into Namecheap. Open your domain list, click Manage for your domain, go to the Name Servers section, switch to Custom DNS, enter your new name servers, and save with the green checkmark. Once completed, your domain will be pointed to the DNS provider you selected.